This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, welcome to one and all. So now I am going to let you know how to log into your HANA system. So there are some prerequisites. The very first one, credentials. Second thing, internet. So internet should be, as I let you know, both upload and download 3 Mbps. 3 Mbps, that would be give you very better performance. So I know about so so I know my credentials. So if you want to refer how to connect a remote desktop in this same, I mean, you are able to get how to connect a remote desktop video bottom. Okay, so just go through it. So let me connect to remote desktop. Very simple. Let me choose simple steps. Select, start, type remote desktop. Right. Remote. See the very first one. Okay. Then enter IP. So I have already entered IP. So let me select my IP. Right. Click connect. It will ask you if the whatever the credentials you have same, you can enter the password and you can direct connect. So if you are using different credentials, you have to connect with those credentials. So in username section you have to enter your credentials. These credentials you have to get from admin. So click enter. If you want to remember these credentials, please check this checkbox. So for this login, I don't want to, I mean, save my credentials. Let me click OK. So it is taking some time to connect. Yes. Here we go. Now we are able to connect a remote desktop. So you are able to see this HANA Studio. If you double click on that one, it will connect. So now we were seeing HANA Studio first screens. Now it is asking for workspace. So this workspace already by default it is configured. See users, username, HDB Studio. Okay, this is the workspace for this HANA Studio. So this window SAP HANA Studio Launcher, you need not to do anything. You can check this. If you don't want to see this dialog box again and again, use this as default and do not ask again. But I'm unchecking this. Let me select launch. Okay, click continue. Because this is very first time I'm using, right? So that is the reason why it is opening again. Here we go. You are able to say HANA Studio, right? So one more very important thing. So if you click here, you are able to see perspective dialog. So just follow this highlighting, right? So it will open perspective. So in this perspective, you can select, I'm a BW consultant, so I'm going to select BW. If I'm a Java consultant, I'm going to select Java. I'm a HANA modeler, I'm going to select HANA. Okay, so like this. If I'm a web consultant, I'm going to select ABAP. These all are the different other functionalities in the SAP system. So don't need to confuse about anything. Slowly understand. Okay. Let me select HANA modeler. You are able to see this, right? This is the way we are going to connect HANA Studio. So we are going to deal more about HANA Studio later. And after connecting to this, you have to connect database. This HANA Studio is a client software between your SAP system and your desktop. So now I am going to connect actual database. Just double click on this, enter password. These password also you can get from your admin. Okay, this is the only way you are able to practice. This is the only way you are going to connect HANA Studio. Okay. Thank you very much for listening this video. We are going to do so many videos on this HANA. Thank you very much. So you can find my details here again. Thank you very much for watching.